This is my 2022 Kia Stinger GT line. This is the 2.5 liter turbo. And today we'll discuss 1 year worth of mods. This is part 2. We'll talk about the exterior mods. As you can see, I got this color scheme going on. The car's blue, but I have subtle red accents here and there. So we start off with the roof line. This is red vinyl. A lot of people like to smoke this out or make them black, carbon fiber. I like them red. Then we come to the window visors, which also covers the gold chrome. Gives it a nice sleek look. Next, we have the red brake covers with custom Kia lettering. These are the rear. And here at the front. The GT line 2022 version did not come with the Brembo brakes. They came with the stock silver brakes. But these red covers do make a nice difference. Along with the red, keep going with the red scheme here. Red lug bolt covers. This rear reflector, I like to keep it red. Many of the Kia Stinger owners, they like to cover that up. I like mine red. One of the first things that caught my eye when the Stinger came out. In the rear of the car, I put these Canards. And then this spoiler. I like the spoiler because it sticks out towards the rear of the car rather than upwards. Then on top, I put this roof spoiler. It's not painted, but it does have a protectant applied to it. In the front of the car, I installed these LED Devil's Claw Canards. They're not really visible during the daytime. So the way I wire them is through the plug-and-play harness that they give you. But instead of connecting them to the daytime running lights, I connected them to the LED headlights. So they only come on when the headlights are on. I'll post some pictures or video of what it looks like at nighttime. Then I applied red vinyl also to the bottom lip of the car. It just gives it that little pop that's different. Then we have the red tow hook. I'm going to post another video about this because it's an interesting conversation piece. Some may like it, some may not. But find out the reason why I have it on. In my performance mod video, I mentioned that I installed 15mm wheel spacers. But when you do so, the wheels poke out a little bit. It gives it a nice stance. It keeps you planted to the ground. But because they're now wider, pushes the wheels out, you start getting a lot of debris on your rocker panel. So I had to install these mud guards or splash guards to protect the rocker panel from snow, salt, rocks. They're OEM. I don't think it takes away the look of the car. I think it actually enhances it. Here's the rear. And the car has 20% tint all around except for the windshield. I'm going to post or list all these items for the car in the description so you can check it out yourself. Do something to your Stinger similar to it. And then check out my other videos regarding the performance mods and the interior mods in 1 year.